Hey guys, so for this week we've been talking about weather tools and weather phenomena and all that kind of stuff all week. So today we're going to take a closer look at some of these weather tools. So we've got something like an anemometer. We've got a weather vane, barometer, thermometer, and rain gauge. So to kind of pair all this up, I'm going to show you guys, and I do want you to complete it yourselves, and I'll make sure I send a link as well. But we have something like our anemometer. So we're going to unscramble our words. So let's see if we can find the picture of our anemometer. This is an anemometer. And if you guys remember, that measures the wind speed. So we know that it's going to connect all the way over here to measures wind speed. So then we have to unscramble our word. So let's see here. This looks like it's going to be right. So anemometer. And then we're going to connect that all the way over to its picture. So you guys get the idea of what we're going to do. So next, let's look at our picture right here. This is a barometer. And do you guys remember what a barometer does? That actually displays the air pressure. So that tells us the air pressure. So you may have seen something like this before. So measures air pressure. So we make our little line, and now we have to find where it says barometer. I think that's our only word that actually has a B in it, so it's gonna go right here. Barometer. And then we connect. All right, so now let's look at our weather vane. It says vane right here, so that's a clue. Weather vane. That's gonna connect us to right here, 2 words. Weather vane, and then we draw our line. What does a weather vane do? That actually determines which direction the wind is going. So you've seen them on top of houses or on farms. So our weather vane is going to determine the wind direction. Let's see here. Let's look at our next picture. I'm going to add a few things in here like raindrops, because those are going to go into this device, and it's actually going to end up measuring the amount of rain or precipitation that takes place. So we know that it measures precipitation, but what is it called? It's actually called a rain gauge. So again, 2 words. Rain gauge. So it's measuring how much rainfall that you get. And you guys may have seen recently on the news how a lot of places are supposed to get flooding and to have way over the amount, like many, many inches. All right, guys, so lastly, you should recognize this right here. This is a thermometer. So thermometer. And we'll draw our line right here. What does a thermometer do? A thermometer actually tells us what temperature it is outside, whether it's warm or cold, how many degrees it is. It has Celsius and Fahrenheit, which are 2 sides of measurement. So, measures air temperature. And that's all our weather tools we've been talking about all week, now that we've seen them. I know later in this week I'm going to have us make some kind of weather tool. And then the following day, we're actually going to use it and see how it works. All right, guys, thanks for sticking around and doing this with me. You guys are awesome.